I'm in Amsterdam and today I'm going to do something I've never done before, and it's to build hardware from scratch because the cool kids are building hardware. I'm taking you with me to meet my friend Sam for the very first time because he's going to help me build said hardware. For those of you who don't know him, Sam just raised 4.6 million in a pre-seed round to build Schematik, which he refers to as
cursor for hardware, and it's actually working.
He's making it easy for anyone to build hardware, even without a technical background. You just describe what you want to build, then Schematik's AI gets you all the plans and instructions on how to build and put together the piece of hardware you want to make. What exactly we'll be building together, you'll find out in a second, but I'm already super late to go meet him, so let's go.
Hey!
Who is it? Where are we?
In the Schematik headquarters in Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
Amsterdam Oost. This is Jack.
What do you do?
I'm a graphic engineer for Schematik.
And right now he's building our new website. Mighty fine. By the time you're publishing this should be live because Jack's working super fast. This is what we call the software room because we're building software here. There's a few tools here, but we try to keep it clean so that we can focus on the tool. And then we have another room. So this is the hardware room. This is where we get messy and build projects. We shoot content. Hi. All right, so what are we building?
We're building a teleprompter that we can use for our YouTube videos because both of us are at the start of our YouTube journeys, so we want to be able to read script off a teleprompter and look straight at the camera.
So what should the teleprompter do?
A teleprompter should, I think, be big enough so letters and words are easy to read. I think there should be some sort of software on it that lets you slow down and speed up as text appears. And it should probably hook on to a screen you're using. So in our case, fancy boys, we're using the Apple Studio display.
Perfect,
Yeah.
cool. And I think maybe we should also make it so that you can actually add your text to it, maybe from your phone or something.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you want to
yeah.
be able to copy paste text onto it and eventually maybe connect to whatever recording software you're using. But
I don't know what you're talking about. Awesome, cool. Well, I've got tons of displays here.
let's choose display. Baby displays.
Baby displays.
Cute.
Let's just get a
Yeah.
whole range of displays.
Love how organized all of this is.
Yeah, it looks very organized. Huh?
All right.
Okay.
Look, this is the biggest display I've ever bought.
Big Papa display. Head for reference. My eyesight is fine, but I think this might be a bit small.
Yes,
Small.
it would be very cute.
Oh, so cute.
Big one.
I feel like these are too big.
Yeah,
Actually, these might be too big. These are too small, so let's go with this one.
the perfect size.
Perfect size.
Awesome.
Can you show the back here?
Very cool.
Sick.
So,
This intimidates me, I'll be very honest.
yeah, I think that's what we built Schematik for, so that we can help you navigate this scary
Yeah.
board. There are some things here that you might recognize. You want to see them? What do you think this is?
Oh, the mic input? Okay.
Yeah.
Here, volume maybe? No?
Yeah, this is the speaker, I think.
Speaker? Okay. Okay, power.
Yes. Do you know what these are?
Yes, USB-C.
Nice. This is how we clean here.
Magnifying glass.
Problem with electronics
Yeah.
is that everything is way too small. This thing, for example, is also a display. It's really cute. It's very beautiful.
Adorbs.
But yeah, it's hard to work with.
Yeah.
So instead of, you know, us all having great eyesight and very small fingers,
Yeah. That's so cute.
yeah, we can see it. All right, so I think the next step is using Schematik
Yeah.
to program this thing. So we're going to use both of our products at the same time. because we'll be using Schematik to build this project.
And Tella.
What is Tella?
Tella is a screen recorder, an all-in-one screen recorder. So I use it to make my YouTube videos.
Yeah.
And it's the easiest to edit my videos. Because I'm not a video editor.
Yes, awesome. Well, we're using it for my videos as well. So yeah, tell the tool what you wanted to build.
All right. To build a teleprompter. I'm describing it like a baby. Okay?
That's great. That's great. That's what we want to do. We want to make it so that
attached to a display. But focus on the screen first. Something like that.
Then maybe we should mention what screen we're using.
Oh yeah, good one.
So ESP 32. So for your knowledge, that's like the chip that runs
Got it.
this display. But ESPs are literally in everything. It's in your toothbrush, in everything. But we're not done yet. P4
Yeah.
dash advanced HMI space V1. I love the names people come up with. Yeah, and actually you can make a photo with Schematik from the thing,
sick.
and it will tell you what part it is. It does a couple steps.
Yeah.
So the first step it does, it's trying to figure out what parts it needs for the project. In this case, we actually told it to use this part, but in some scenarios, like let's say you want to make a stopwatch, it's like, oh, I need a button, I need a screen, let me figure out which ones those are.
Yeah.
So that's step number one. And step number two is wiring. So basically, how do I connect the pieces to each other? To be honest, in this case, we might add a button at the later point maybe, but I don't think
turn it on.
Yeah, we don't really need much wiring right now. Then the last thing it does, it writes the code based on the wires. So it knows, oh, if attach the screen here to point number 5, that makes sure that the code also knows the screen is there.
Okay, so we just need to connect it via USB.
Let's try.
I figured out I had to connect it to USB.
Do it.
That's the first technical step, or like physical step. Okay, so that's connected. Connect board. I mean, I'm gonna connect and see.
I always do try to figure out which one it's definitely not.
Okay,
So it's not the Nothing headphones.
I feel like it's
not
this one.
Intuitive design.
Sick. Okay, so we've connected that. So it's like uploading the code to the device.
So what it does now, so it is compiling.
Yeah, compiling. That's
Compiling
what it's doing.
is, so you know what compilation is?
No.
So compilation is like, the machine has code that it understands, and us humans have code that we understand, and compilation basically translate the code that we understand into machine-readable code.
It's connected, it says, but do you think that we need to turn it on?
I don't know if it's on. Is it on? Yeah, it is on. It's not saying anything. Maybe just tell it the board is not saying anything. Okay, so now the only thing we need after the deploying is we need to reset it. So there's a little reset button. I'm going to click it and let's see what's happening.
It's on. It's
on!
Sick.
It's
Wait,
sick.
and it's already showing text. That's so cool. And it even has buttons to go slower, faster. Should we go faster? Vet. Dit is oprecht heel vet.
Leuk hè?
Ja.
Dit is die magie.
I love it.
Wait, you gotta say it in English.
Yeah, this is just really cool. It took us, like it might have taken you a bit longer, but to build Schematik. It might have taken you a bit longer, but it took me maybe like 2.5 minutes. I mean, I didn't order the screen, sure.
Yeah.
But like I feel like the software part of it is like easy in this case, but obviously we didn't connect, and it's because this hardware comes with like.
These are really cool things to work with because they have Wi-Fi, they have microphones, touch screens, and like a screen like this is maybe like
so
40 euros or something, so it's not very expensive either.
Okay, so now I know what I'm worth. Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have Wi-Fi, you could drop your scripts into there immediately, and you could even talk to it. That's insane if we wanted to.
Yeah, so I think there's two things we can do now. One is we can add Wi-Fi support and figure out a way to like connect it so that you can push your text to it. Or the other thing, we can do 3D printer case. Now I suggest, in the interest of time, that we first 3D print the case and then we do the Wi-Fi thing.
Yeah,
after.
and we do, I think Wi-Fi is a good one, and then probably for me, I need to be able to control the text size. So I can just tell it that.
Yeah.
And maybe even we can make it cuter. Like I like the idea of a black background with pink letters or something.
I'm all game. I'm all game.
Nice, because this is a bit small. Like I don't know if you can see this, but this is a little small, the default. But
Yeah.
it did ask us about font size.
So let's maybe then now measure this thing up.
Sounds good.
And then we can make a quick 3D design, have lunch, and hopefully the design is finished after lunch.
And I think we need a few measurements. We probably need the inner, maybe even the distance to this. Where's the case going to sit? I'm just going to take a lot of measurements. Okay, so the first one is 7589 millimeters. Then so that's 12082.
But there's one more thing we need to measure,
Yeah.
which is the thickness of the Apple display.
True. Okay, so fun. Let's get it. So many F's.
Let's get it. What does it say?
It says, I need to zoom in on that to see 2162.
So you need to check your eyes. It says 23.
2372.
We need to make a square that holds the display.
What's this software called?
This thing is called Shaper 3D,
Oh, nice.
and we love it.
I feel like it's affordable for most people, the software.
They have a free plan,
Yeah.
which is, how much is it? Free?
Wow. Very nice, 5 stars for you. Very smart.
And you can make 2 projects at the same time, which for most people is fine because
Oh, yeah, that's
you're not making many more projects at the same time, right? So
are you rounding up the numbers? Or like rounding them to
Yeah.
because it's 80.27, so you just think
yeah,
it's 80.
those differences are too small to
small.
really matter.
Got it.
At least that's what we hope.
I just know that there's some people that are like such perfectionists where they think,
Yeah.
I need to know if it matters or not.
Yeah, that's good to ask.
Yeah.
No, I think it does not really matter, but we'll see, right? If the print turns out to be good. What are we doing?
And I think it says the amount of time. 39.
Yes.
Right.
What can we do in that time?
Lunch!
Yay!
One thing.
We're so happy. Our
We're
biggest moment
so
of joy
happy.
today is lunch.
You just told me the price of 3D printers.
Yeah, so when I started out building hardware projects, 3D printing was actually really inaccessible because the printers were very expensive, like a couple €1,000. Now you can still spend that and buy an amazing printer, but you now have things like the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini, and I think it goes at €200. And to be honest, of course with a very expensive printer you can do really cool stuff, but you can do most things with a really cheap printer.
Wow!
Printing toy.
Oh my god.
We're gonna take the print out of the printer. I'm a bit stressed because I worry that it's not gonna fit. Most prints don't fit on the first go. So let's see. Ta-da! It looks good, but that doesn't mean it is good.
Wow. And it's purple?
Yeah, for you.
Oh.
So this is really cool. It feels stuck, but then you can do this.
Oh, ASMR.
The moment of truth. Do a super slow-mo shot, see if it fits.
It fits?
Ah, I'm so excited. It does fit. It does fit. Ah, the weight of my shoulder. There's another thing that we need to see if it fits, which is, I already know it's not gonna fit because it's gonna be in front of the webcam. You see? Well, let's have a look.
Let's have it.
Test number 1. Does this thing fit on this? The answer is yes. But the problem is, like, if we put it like this,
That's not too bad though.
it's not too bad. If we want to display text,
Yeah.
it might be better if it hangs like right under. You get what I mean?
I see what you mean.
We can make a new version for that.
Although,
But what do you prefer?
to be honest, I almost wanted to sit on top, but that's hard.
It is hard, but hey, got on this. Oh, you can just put it on top.
Oh my god.
Let's print it. No?
Yeah.
So we put this, and then we. Okay, I think I know.
You have
I
an
know.
idea?
Yeah. So we have the display.
Yeah.
But now we need to figure out what we want to do with interface, right? Because.
So let's go to a schematic then.
Yeah, let's do it. Just tell it what you want with Whisper Flow.
Okay, I want a welcome screen when the teleprompter turns on, and it should display the word Teleprompter, and I'll spell that for you in a second. And I kind of want a rain of stars, a very fast rain of stars from the top to the bottom, and they can all concentrate and fall at the bottom. And then it should quickly switch to the actual script. And then I want to be able to control the font size. So come up with like 3 font sizes, small, medium, and large. And I want 3 speeds at which the script can be displayed.
Last time we had to reset it, but the
Yeah.
reset. So.
Oh my god, it's actually doing the star race. And it says tap to start. Can we actually?
Shall I?
Yeah.
Am I allowed?
You're allowed.
What's going on? We have Team Green, Team Amber, Team Pink.
I love. Do team pink. Yeah, me. Big.
Speed slow. Use the button
This
below
is
to just
sick.
font scratch.
Fun. And if I ever want to change this, I can just do it on schematic.
Yeah.
So
You can
sick.
just take it home and do
So
do it on
fun.
schematic. Yeah.
You okay?
No,
It's not working?
things are so slow. I'm going crazy.
What were you saying?
What I was saying, I forgot.
Because I wanted to lie and fix everything in post, but you had a great idea.
I was like, be honest, that's the point of showing how real things happen and people will appreciate it. So just go with it and explain.
So it's a new morning and I really need to make it work now because I don't have much time anymore. Luis will be off to Portugal soon, so let's get it. Let's get it. So it says it's done with writing the code. Let's hit deploy. Deploy, connect board, print, connect, deploy. The moment of truth. So now with this thing, you can record from your new teleprompter as you're looking into the camera because it's super close and it will look super natural. So let's wrap it up and pack it up so we can send it to Luis.
Toppie. Thanks! We got the teleprompter. Let's go try this.
We did it!
We did it. We made a teleprompter. Yeah, I really love how it looks on the Apple Studio display and how it sits right above the webcam. Because if you make screen recordings, you know that you'll always be looking at your screen. So this feels like a nice visual hook to look up.
Well, like and subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos on building in public or videos on video marketing, marketing in general. A lot of AI involved and a lot of hardware involved. And give us a follow.